Low testosterone can affect far more than sexual health. It may contribute to fatigue, reduced motivation, loss of strength, increased body fat, difficulty concentrating, slower recovery, and a diminished sense of well-being. But testosterone therapy does not always have to begin with testosterone replacement. At Integrative Health Solutions, we evaluate whether your body may still be capable of producing more of its own testosterone. Natural testosterone therapy uses medications such as clomiphene or enclomiphene to support the hormonal signals between the brain, pituitary gland, and testicles. This approach may help increase your body's natural testosterone production while maintaining normal testicular function and preserving fertility. For appropriately selected men, treatment may support greater energy, improved strength, healthier body composition, better exercise recovery, enhanced libido, and improved mental focus. But hormone optimization is not about chasing a number. Your treatment begins with a comprehensive evaluation of total and free testosterone, estrogen balance, pituitary hormones, thyroid function, metabolic health, sleep, nutrition, stress, and long-term goals. The objective is simple: restore healthy function while protecting your overall health. Natural testosterone therapy may be an effective option for men who want to feel stronger, more focused, and more like themselves without immediately committing to lifelong testosterone replacement. Integrative Health Solutions. Personalized medicine for energy, performance, and long-term health.